Hi Pisces, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 28th of November. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. The first card that I see here is Queen of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, and the Strength card. Person B here has the Knight of Wands, the Ten of Swords, and the Page of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck I have Five of Swords, which means that there could be some kind of competition around you or your person. Now from the first set of cards I see you have Queen of Pentacles, which means you're doing really well for yourself financially. Maybe you're also enjoying the luxuries of life. The second card I see here is Two of Pentacles, which means that maybe you are currently trying to juggle two situations. Now because it's Pentacles, it's something related to money. Okay, so it could be two projects, it could be two jobs, it could also be two people with regards to money, and you are currently involved with two people with whom there's some aspect of money involved there. Now the third card I see is the Strength card, which is Leo energy. This means that you will have to put in a lot of courage and bravery in order to tackle this situation. Now for person B, the first card is Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands is the energy where you rush in, you want to have a good time with the other person. The second card I see here is Ten of Swords, which means you feel backstabbed, you feel this person has, not taken care of you, or they have done something wherein they may have cheated you, deceived you. And the third card I see is Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles is the energy where, it's kind of an immature energy where you want to go ahead and build something strong and committed, but the energy with which you start off is quite immature. Now with this, let's also quickly see what is the intention of this person. So the first card that I see is Four of Swords, Page of Wands, and Ace of Pentacles. Four of Swords is the energy where you have withdrawn yourself. You want to take some time out to think through the entire situation and maybe then plan out what you want to do next. Page of Wands is again immature energy because you're more focused towards passion, physical attraction, sex. And Ace of Pentacles is fairly a good card because here you want to offer a pentacle or you will receive that offer, wherein you want to start small and eventually think of stability, commitment, and you want to build that relationship. Now let's quickly see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that I see for you is expect a powerful change. So there could be some kind of a big drastic change that is going to happen very soon. And with this, let's also quickly see what is the message we have from the archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Dolomite. The crystal message is, have you wanted to do something creative? Are you feeling artistic? Let your inspiration flow and generate your insight into manifest reality. It doesn't matter what it is. It could be a nice meal, a pretty garden, an amazing photograph, or some sewing project. Regardless, now is the time to produce it. It will bring you fulfillment and purpose. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Gabriel, which I'll put in the description box and you can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.